Hello guys, meron tayong unboxing. Unboxing natin ang photo. Oh.
I don't do anything.
Yeah, temporary too.
That's quite new.
Easy to use, materialistic, durable too. Yeah. What are the contents? Buksan natin guys.
Are you on the counter?
Yeah. Are you Lori content? Lori? Sit down, Lori. Temporary ticket. Oh. Mirror. Mirror. Dental mirror. Oh. Yeah. Dental mirror. What else? Bali, apat sila. At
a celebration that because a new beneficiary, you can win a brand new MacBook. Kids need new computers that go back to school, or you just really need technology and this is your chance to start with.
Slide door.
mainit na tubig.
Seguro wala sa ilo ng kusilyo.
Lori?
Wonder.
Dali lang.
Clinic.
Saglit lang na.
Sila.
Ha?
Yeah.
Yung ano? Pang-repair ng ngipin. Pang-repair ng ngipin.
Sing.
Ngipin.
Pangipin.
All of these lovely ladies, all of them, color their hair. Some would say, color.
Medyo natutunaw na siya.
She was born with purple hair. Let's see if it's up there. 200 points for color. Well done, you guys. Great job. You're up to 700 points. And Carol, you're going to start us out for a second. Let's do it. We asked America, if my husband were a superhero, he'd be blank. And our top 7 answers. There they are in 30 seconds. Go. Superman. Captain America.
ito.
BP Black Panther.
Is it Black Panther? Wow, that's the end of the round. It's close. The Puzzle Pals have 1,800.
Naku!
Moving return to America says one of our team.
I was hanging out in the bathroom, inspecting my butt, and I noticed back there, don't make me say the word butt.
Your rectum?
Yes,
Let's take a look.
Dr. Brooks just gets you.
Search, read reviews, book a doctor on ZocDoc.
If you think you just can't lose weight at your age, think again.
Lose weight with Complete 55.
Specifically designed for women ages 55 plus.
Start seeing your results right away with some snacks delivered to your door and loving hearty inspirations. Complete 55 takes into account a woman's unique metabolism, age, nutritional needs, and activity.
Kasi may taro yung baso ba yun eh. Kuhan sa kuhan ba yun?
Hmm?
Yung baso ba?
Aha.
Kulay ba no?
Ah, Asya?
Ha?
Yung bungi ko, lagi ka.
I take Qunol
Ano nangyari eh?
healthy joints.
Ah?
Ano nangyari?
Why Qunol? It has superior absorption compared to regular turmeric.
Ano nangyari? Ano nabiyak?
Qunol.
Hmm.
Somebody say what Jojo? I'm great. Dance your dance.
Di ba may bungi ako?
Mhm.
We're not a local crowd of bears.
Ayan, lalagyan ko ng ngipin.
Book direct at TrustHotels.com.
Dr. Scholl's custom cancers deliver final and clinically proven pain relief for your lower back, knees, plantar fasciitis, heels, and achy feet. They are customized utilizing your arch type, body weight, and shape size. Find in the foot care aisle.
UTI here. This is Dr. Key and my partner Spencer to launch Eucora. Eucora makes effective urinary tract health products. It truly works miracles. The peace of mind I've been looking for. Go to Eucora.com to learn more.
Dale used to hide his anti-cavity mouthwash for 24-hour cavity protection.
Start talking to a specialized urologist because Peyronie's disease, or PD, is a medical condition where there is a disturbing erection caused by formation of scar tissue, and an estimated 1 in 10 men may have it. But PD can be treated even without surgery. Say goodbye to searching online. Find a specialized urologist who can diagnose PD and build a treatment plan with you. Visit makeapdplan.com today.
An all new season of Mastermind means all new ways to poke the beast.
Korting ngipin. Yan, tayo lang na.